right, so today we are going to talk about subject pronouns, and subject pronouns let you know who is completing the action of your sentence. As we go through our subject pronouns, I want you to fill in this section with the English meaning of each of these subject pronouns as we go. And then afterwards, we're going to come back to this section and practice using subject pronouns in context. So our first subject pronoun is yo, and yo means I. So you're going to write down I next to yo in your notes. Our second subject pronoun is tú, and tú means you. And the accent mark over this you is going to be very important in our writing when we use this in Spanish. Our third subject pronoun is usted, and usted is another word for you, but this is a little bit more formal, and we'll discuss that a little bit later. Next up, we have él, and él means he. And then we have ella, which means she. The double L in Spanish is going to make a Y sound, so it is ella, and it is not ella. Next up, we have nosotras and nosotros. And both of these would mean we. Remember from our emotions lesson that if we have something that ends in an A in Spanish, that's most likely a feminine ending. If we have something that ends in an O in Spanish, that is a masculine ending. So nosotras would refer to we as in a group of all girls, where you are also a girl. And then nosotros would be a group where you are included, and it could be boys and girls or all boys. Next up, we have vosotras and vosotros. And both of these would mean y'all. And this is only used in Spain, so this is not one that we will be focusing on a lot this year, but it is here for you to be aware. Now we have ellos and ellas. And remember that double L makes a Y sound. And these both mean they. If we have ellos, that is they as in a group of all boys or a mixture of boys and girls. And it does not matter how many boys there are in the group. It just matters that there's at least one. So I could have a group of 3,000 girls and one boy, but if I was talking about them, I would still use ellos. Ellas is just all girls, they. And then finally we have ustedes, which means you all. So you are talking to a group of people and you're using you all. All right, awesome. So you should now have your subject pronouns written down right over here. And if you don't, take a moment to pause the video and copy them down for yourself. And then we're going to talk about ¿cuál es la diferencia entre tú y usted? So tú is familiar people. An example would be friends, family, pets, and classmates. And usted is for strangers or formal people. So this could be like the president, principal, elders, teachers. So a little bit more polite.